ఎప్పుడైతే యునెస్కో ప్రపంచ వారసత్వ జాబితాలోకి మా ఆలయం చెందుతుందో,
when you think about the Kasi in Andhra Pradesh, there is a village, there is a place where you can say that it is related to it is like Kasi. There is a famous temple named Sri Mukhalingam, and the main priest, the principal priest of this temple come here at Jantar Mantar to protest for the development of the infrastructure development, as well as the UNESCO heritage site, demand for UNESCO heritage site. So just talk to him and sir, first you explain.
I will explain.
First you explain the place, the holy place, the river, the surrounding river, all the related to the this holy temple.
I will tell. First of all, Om Namah Shivaya.
Om Namah.
Sri Mukhalingeshwara temple. It is called South Kasi, located in Andhra Pradesh state.
Okay.
Andhra Pradesh state, Srikakulam district, North Andhra region.
North Andhra.
North Andhra region near Visakhapatnam.
Okay.
It is called South Kasi.
Okay.
But from 20 years, there is no development and no infrastructure facilities. Everything neglected. Every politician also. We represented
Even BJP government
BJP also, YCP also, YCP also sanctioned 20 crores, but they back on. As soon as after 6 months, that grants are back on. Another temple, another church, and
now the new government, Naidu government,
went another. Now before that, Naidu government also 2017, he sanctioned 30 crores, but he gone. It's gone.
It's gone to corruption or what?
No. Other temple or the church and something also. It will change.
Fund has been transferred to other place, or you can say the other temple. But why they are not doing the same temple? You are saying that there are 3 temples.
South Kasi called, it's located river is Vamsadhara, Nagavali Vamsadhara.
It's a holy river, ancient
river, big river hai. Big river hai.
Okay.
The temple is having all UNESCO qualities also.
Okay.
UNESCO qualities. Lingam has anywhere. If you go throughout world, anywhere Lingam has no face.
I think there is 12.
Chakra, Lingam has chakra. Lingam has only face our temple also.
Okay. Lingam with face.
Face. Lingam with face. So face का मतलब तेलुगु में मुख. Ling. That is Mukhalinga.
Okay.
Yeah.
There is 12 lingam na
Yeah.
It is one of them.
It is not. It is main.
It is main.
Indra, Agni, Vayu, sublingam.
Sublingam.
Second ordinary.
Okay. This is the first one.
The first one, biggest one.
Biggest one.
Someswara is brother. Bhimeswara is brother.
Okay.
You know Draksharamam. Bhimeswara. Someswara also is brother.
Okay.
His wife Varahi, Parvati.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you are saying that the development, the whole.
If you go Sri Sailam, Shikhar Darshanam.
Okay.
If you go Sri Mukhalingam, Chakra Darshan.
Okay. So
no rebirth.
No rebirth.
Its result will no rebirth.
No rebirth.
Yeah.
Okay.
Punarjanmana vidyate. Yeah. Anything if you
when you go to, he's saying that when you go to this mandir or this lingam, you will there is no need to rebirth. Means कहते हैं कि आप पुनः जन्म से छुटकारा मिल जाएगा. हिंदी में जो कहते हैं कि आप अगर आपको दोबारा जन्म लेने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी, ऐसा कुछ ये बोल रहे हैं. तो if you want to go to there, then there is some infrastructure development as well as something. So what kind of infrastructure development you want?
Sanitation, washrooms, mercury lights, and approach roads, pilgrimage health center also. That is all pending major problems our temple.
how many pilgrims in a year? Do you have some idea?
Here, 10 lakhs above pilgrims will coming.
than
and-
10 lakhs?
More than 10 lakhs.
All from the different part of the India or from the Andhra Pradesh?
Abroad also, many countries people also will come, will coming and going and something. But there is no rest house and other any guest houses also.
There is a, very the new government is coming and the Amaravati development plan is there. They are doing lot of money, spending money on the Amaravati development. So you want
Great temple, but politicians throwing the temple.
when you are saying that there are three.
Throwing so back at that temple. Yeah, it's okay.
Why this discrimination happen? What is the reason behind it?
Reason being no. It is under central government, Archaeological Survey of India.
Okay.
Premises of Archaeological Survey of India located here.
Okay.
Survey of India Director Office here.
Okay.
But they did not care about that temple. But there, anytime they are caring about Amaravati, some other temples, Draksharamam, some. But they are neglecting Sri Mokalingam temple.
So you are saying the administration is neglecting the due to administration like neglecting or central government neglecting, this is happen.
Moreover, whatever may be, only the central government can do, must do development for this temple.
What is
Must do also. Only central government have authorities. But this is under ASI.
what is your message to the people of Andhra or the surrounding near the in your own language? What you will say to him?
When our temple got UNESCO list, then total time
You can speak in your own language.
ఎప్పుడైతే యునెస్కో ప్రపంచ వారసత్వ జాబితాలోకి మా ఆలయం చెందుతుందో, ప్రపంచ వారసత్వ జాబితా పొందేందుకు అన్ని అర్హతలు ఈ ఆలయానికి ఉన్నాయి. కాబట్టి ఈ ఆలయాన్ని కేంద్ర ప్రభుత్వం ప్రధాని మోడీ గారు ఈ ఆలయాన్ని ప్రపంచ వారసత్వ జాబితాలో చేర్చేందుకు యునెస్కో వారికి ప్రతిపాదనలు పంపి సహకరిస్తే, యునెస్కో లిస్టులోకి జాబితాలోకి వెళ్ళిన వెంటనే మా ఆలయం యాజ్ సూన్ యాజ్ అన్ని మౌలిక సదుపాయాలు ఆటోమేటికల్లీ కలుగుతాయని నేను ఆశిస్తూ ఢిల్లీలో జంతర్ మంతర్ చేయడం జరిగింది.
साफ साफ कह रहे हैं कि यूनेस्को की लिस्ट में इसको शामिल किया जाना चाहिए, जो हेरिटेज लिस्ट है, और कह रहे हैं कि सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट की जो आर्कियोलॉजी वाला डिपार्टमेंट है, आर्कियोलॉजी सर्वे ऑफ इंडिया जो कहते हैं, जो रख रखाव करता है जो ऐतिहासिक इमारतों का, तो वो सही से काम नहीं कर रहा है. और रोड्स की और पिलग्रिम्स जो उनके तीर्थ यात्री हैं वहाँ पर बहुत ज़्यादा मुश्किलें हैं उनके डेवलपमेंट की, और बार बार इनके साथ जो इनके जो मंदिर है इसके साथ बार बार भेदभाव हो रहा है, और जो फंड है वो कहीं और ट्रांसफ़र कर दिया गया सैंक्शन होने के बाद भी. और 10 लाख से ज़्यादा जो तीर्थ यात्री हैं वो आते हैं, और बहुत ही कहते हैं ना फेस पे यहाँ पे लिंगम विथ फेस ये भी बोल रहे हैं. इसके साथ साथ ये कह रहे हैं कि भाई ये सबसे काशी बोल सकते हो आप इसे, आंध्र प्रदेश में या साउथ में इसको काशी के बराबर दर्जा दिया गया है, इतना फेमस जगह है. और बहुत सारी मान्यताएं, ये भी मान्यता है कि रीबर्थ नहीं होता, पुनः जन्म नहीं होता. एक बार आप चले जाओ तो सारे जन्मों से आप मुक्ति पा जाते हो, जो 84 लाख योनियां हैं उनसे मुक्ति पा जाते हो. ये सब कह रहे हैं. द फाइनल एंड द मैसेज टू द ऑडियंस हु इज वाचिंग, your demand, your main demands.
My main demand, I will tell. Now we request your Honorable Prime Minister, we request you, highest authorities and notice citizens of India and our lack of devotees to fulfill our demands in royal and peaceful way by taking your kind permission. We are sitting for hunger strike now, Jantar Mantar. That we are.
It's a one-day strike, na?
One-day strike. Our demands were sanitation and drainage system.
Okay.
Second thing, Veda Patashala, Vedic school. Third one, pilgrimage health center. Fourth one, veterinary hospital. Fifth one, agricultural committee, mercury lab, cleanliness of temple and village also, pilgrimage cottages, approach roads, and finally we want
Heritage.
a UNESCO World Heritage Site status also. We wanted every time many lakh of devotees also wanted that thing.
Thank you so much for talking with us.